Welcome back, my friends, and in this video we'll be looking at operators. Now operators are used for performing operations on your applications. It can be the addition if you want to add two variables together or two numbers together. It can be a subtraction, multiplication, any operation or arithmetic operation you can ever think of. You can use operators to actually. So we have different type of operator. We have the arithmetics, we have the assignment, we have the logical, we have the comparison. So we're going to be looking at all that in this video. Mind you, I might not go into all the operators because they are much, but I'm going to go into the most important ones. So let's go over to our Virtual Studio Code, and right here, let's just close all this and create a new file and call this operators. And right here, let's just open our PHP tag. And the first operator we want to use is the addition. So if you go over here and just say 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is this will actually work, and we're expecting a value of let's say 9, and we have the 9 right here. We can perform a subtraction, and this will give us a -1. You can see that. We can do the multiplication. We just need to use the asterisk, and let's just use this, and this is 20. 4 times 5 is actually 20, and we can do the exponential by doing these two i's, and this will give us the exponential, which is 1024. So those are like the arithmetics that we can use. Now going to the comparison, where you can say if a value is equal to a particular value. And I don't want us to go into this first because we need to look at condition statement before we can actually go into this. And because of that, I've opened a resource that you can use, which is the W3. And right here, we can see all the types of operators that we can use. We can use the module, and if we should try to use this right here, and we can just say percentage, and let's go over to our this, and you can see 4. Okay, now you can see it actually explains everything about the operator, and you can have the assignment where you can assign two values together, and right here we have the comparison. If something is greater than this, then do something. If it's less than this, do something. If it's equal to something, do something. If it's not, don't do it. And you can see the increment and the decrement. So after that, you can see the logical when you actually have the and or, and you can see the strings, and you can see the arrays. So in coming videos, we're actually going to be using this one after the other,